Never volley for Big Mac. It's just like there's like no positive to playing off server. Could you get it on Spotify, Kieran? Because I'll have to enable stuff in the audio mixer to play it on YouTube. There we go. Add to the queue. I wonder why it wouldn't let me look that up. Hopefully it's not region locked. Toady, thank you for the lucky. It's good luck on your meeting. So you're sending me the wrong information the entire time. Oh, it's Pixel Girl. Oh, is it Pixel? It's Pixel Girl. This sounds like a Bell song for sure. Yeah, I just had the content update, Pet Rocky. I'll lock your region. Okay, this doesn't sound like a Bell song anymore. Justin Dad, it's good to see you. Good morning. How have you been? I see you in the lobby. Let's go. I think we lost pecking. It's pretty late in Australia, but if there were no snipers, I was probably gonna play a little bit of rank soon. I'll have a look after this game, Yoshi, actually. After this round.